Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to take the topic on gesture interfaces. How the gesture interface with each other. So before that we'll have a recap with how the real environment, augmented reality, mixed reality and virtual reality takes place in the real world or in today's world. So what is a gesture interface? So the gesture interface is nothing but it is a natural user interface which allows the users to interact with the computer system with the help of the body movements. That is the important thing. How the natural user interface get interacted with the computer system by the body movements such as hand, finger, arms, head or body gestures. So here we can see the low latency accurate palm finger detection. Okay, so instead of traditional input devices like a mouse or a keyboard, we uses all those real objects or the real hand to make the movements in the computer system. This is what gesture interface. So what is the main importance of the gesture interface is that it enables the natural and intuitive interaction. Okay, so it will be very natural and the interaction also will be very intuitive, and it has a hands-free operation. Okay, so we don't have to whatever we the hand, okay, the movement that we are doing through hands or through head or those will be adapted in the computer system, which will be very essential for augmented reality, virtual reality and mixed reality. And also it improves the accessibility and it enhances the user immersion. So here we have different types of gestures. It has static, dynamic, then continuous gesture, symbolic gestures, uh, diegetic gestures, and the input devices that is available through the gestures. You know what is static? So just look at the picture. So if I do like this, okay, a super, okay, so when I'm doing, it will trace what all the fingers and how this the model takes place, how the gesture takes place, how the movement done in the form of a static form. So it calculates that, and finally those type of movement is saved through the gesture. Okay, so that's what it is take in the dynamic also. When it comes to continuous gesture, it is like a movement, okay, takes place like this. So for example, if I am doing like this, those pictures will be captured in a continuous way, so that the movement of the hand or the fingers can be done over it, and also through symbolic. So this the image that I have given here will be more still you can able to understand how the symbolic gesture also takes place. And When it comes to the input devices, those input devices that is used is actually the vision based input devices and wearable gesture input devices and touchless sensor based input devices. So the vision based is done through the depth cameras and also through the stereo one, and the data, the gloves and the leap motion controllers, and also through the ultrasonic sensors. So with the help of these things, the vision based input devices, the wearable gesture input devices and the touchless sensor based devices also done. So these are the applications that is used through the gesture interfaces, which is the gaming, the medical surgery assistance, and also in smart homes these gesture interfaces are actually used. The main application that is used in today's world is the sign language, because for the sign language definitely the that gestures, the actions, how the hands and the fingers are done, those all being tracked carefully, and it is saved in the database. So these are the advantages of the gesture interfaces, which is it should be a very natural interaction and no physical contact, and also it should have a hands-free control with the intuitive user experience. So these are the limitations which is done through the gesture. So finally, this is the future scope which is used in the gesture applications, which is mainly used for the industry-based purpose and also for the cloud and spatial computing. So hope you all understood what are the things used in the gesture, and thank you so much.